I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360 we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done.
So you might have heard about the Axiom 360 experience. Brandon, do you want to explain a little bit more about the 360 experience?
Axiom 360, yeah, actually, yes. I'd love to answer that question, Ryan. So, Axiom 360 is exactly that. We're a full circle. We bring the project from start to finish. We carry you through the entire project. We communicate with you throughout the process. Our goal is weekly communications. Our goal is to keep the customer in the loop, to provide a clear and transparent process, and to, at the end, provide a quality product and installation which the customer can tell their friends, families, and neighbors about not only the process, but the products that they've had installed on their home.
Yeah, so our goal is to set the proper expectations at the start of the project, to develop your ideal system, and then allow you to have as much of a hands-off process as you want, and just allow us to take everything from start to finish while providing you with the updates to know exactly what's going on. We're also open and glad to work with homeowners and business owners who want to get a little bit more granular and really understand what's going on with this technical project.